Assalamu alaikum everyone and good morning. Today is our Eid. This is our big Christmas for the Muslims and we are going for pray, and we're gonna show you the mosque. We usually go to Ennis Islamic Center and then we're gonna continue vlogging from there. So this is the Ennis. Just above 50. Looks like Baris van, like one of my friends' van. Office of Clare County Council, and this is a fire brigade station. Now in Islamic Mosque in Ennis, and we have seen this Islamic center before in my another vlog, so I'm gonna show you today as well.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Okay, this is Duns and Ennis. देखना है This is the clothing section of Duns, and they have a grocery section up there as well. They have a lovely fresh orange juice. Any fruit? Any fruit? Some lovely berries. Cherries. One more. Lovely fresh food, lovely fresh veg. Now this is the orange juice. This is the fresh orange juice they do up here. Like, so So you have to just get the empty bottle from here. Now you can open the bottle, leave the cap up here, and just press this. Now see, that's the way it's done now. Look, it's fresh orange juice. Now this is the bread sections here. They do the lovely fresh salad as well, as you can see. It's a coffee machine. So in the morning time you usually get the mostly fresh stuff like the breads, scones, croissants. Well, I'm looking for chocolate croissant here. I don't think they just make now. They all are just the plain ones. Yeah, they all are halal. They're just breads.